Okay, we've got a bit of a job on today. We've got to change the belt on the lawnmower and the blades, because the belt's just about had it and the blades are shot. When you mow the lawns you see a 5mm strip down the middle where it's not cutting, so give it a crack. Take these guards off first. The other guard on the other side needs to come off. We also have to take one of the pulleys off so the belt can come off. This pulley here, or guide, needs to come off, otherwise the belt can't come off past this thing here. So the old belt's seen better days. It'd probably last another few lawn mows, but nothing worse than it snapping on the weekend when nothing's open to go and buy a new one, so they're only cheap. So we'll get into that. Maybe that one has to come loose as well. That's it. The old belt's here, just about gone. Right, I'll whip those blades off too. See, that's buggered. Last time I had to jam a piece of wood behind the blade to unscrew those bolts there. So I'm not too sure which way it went now, if it was a left or right handed screw. So we'll get into that. There's a bit of wood in here. Jesus. I'm not sure which way it goes. Maybe I need a bit of pipe on the end of this to get more torque. Maybe it goes the other way. I think we're going to get a bit of pipe. Right, yeah, that buggered. Right, the other blade. Fuck. Fucking prick. taken one off after a bit of swearing and cursing, but you see how damaged they are compared to the new ones. Bits of steel are starting to fly off, and also got a new belt as well. So yeah, I found that instead of going to the lawnmower shop to actually buy the new belt, go to an engineering shop or agricultural shop. It's a lot cheaper, 3 times the price at the lawn mowing shop for the same belt. So it's a good tip for you guys. Right, now to install. Right, it's 2 blades installed. Belt on and she should be all good. Rightio, that's one belt done in 2 blades. Got to put those covers back on, the guards here, and that's it. Hey guys, I had to shoot down and get another belt. What did I do? I installed it incorrectly. See that? You can just see it's all shredded to bits. See this here? When I installed it, I accidentally put the belt around here instead of opening this up and putting it in there. And when I started up, it just smoked everywhere and chewed it out. So I'll probably get a couple of mows out of that. But lucky I didn't get a genuine belt. The genuine belt's 130 bucks. This is $29. The reason why I told you to go to an agricultural shop to get one is because, yeah, it's not genuine and they're not made to run on the back of the belt, but you still get at least 2 years out of them, so it's worth doing for $30 instead of paying 130. I would have been pretty upset if I'd smoked that belt and I paid 130 bucks. Anyway, just watch out for those guides. Cheers.